Toy train videos, the ultimate way to relax and unwind. Are you feeling stressed out and exhausted? Maybe you need a break from your busy schedule. Look no further than toy train videos. These delightful clips will transport you to a world of calm and tranquility. With toy train videos, you can watch miniature locomotives chugging along picturesque landscapes. Imagine yourself sitting by the tracks, watching the trains go by. It's the perfect way to unwind after a long day. These videos come in all kinds of styles and themes. You can watch toy train videos set in the mountains, the countryside, or even futuristic cities. There's something for everyone, no matter what your tastes are. What makes toy train videos so special is the attention to detail. You'll see every nuance of the trains, from the smoke puffing out of the engine to the intricate designs on the wagons. It's like watching a tiny world come to life. Not only are toy train videos visually stunning, they also have a soothing effect on the mind. The gentle sound of the trains moving along the tracks is like music to the ears. It's the ultimate relaxation technique. If you're a train enthusiast, then toy train videos are a must-see. You'll get to see the latest models and designs in action. It's like having your own personal train show right in your living room. But even if you're not into trains, you'll still love these videos. They're a great way to escape from the stresses of daily life. You'll feel like you're traveling to a different world for a little while. Toy train videos are perfect for all ages. Kids will love watching the trains go by and imagining themselves driving one. Adults will appreciate the nostalgia and the beauty of these miniature marvels. There are even toy train videos that are designed for meditation and mindfulness. They're the perfect way to center yourself and find inner peace. Just sit back, relax, and let the trains take you away. So what are you waiting for? Check out toy train videos today and experience the joy and relaxation for yourself. It's the perfect way to unwind after a busy day or just to enjoy some quiet time alone.